Hi everybody, Skiibum49 here.
Spartan Squirrel.
A Spartan Squirrel. I am accompanied by, and we're playing some more Modern Warfare 3 Survival.
Being shot by dogs, yeah. We're being
You're
attacked
getting
by dogs.
shot by dogs.
Yeah, they're pretty vicious now.
Okay, yeah, they're vicious, but you can't be shot by them.
No, it's the new update. They have guns now.
Great!
I don't know why they would update this game, because, you know, it's like 2 years behind, but, you know, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, because dogs already shoot.
Yeah. Yeah, they've taught that in the military, actually. They've taught dogs in the military nowadays to,
How'd you die down here?
by being shot.
During Wave 9.
By being shot, and I didn't die, actually.
How'd you get down?
That's what I thought. By being shot.
Stop shooting. Stop shooting. Stop shooting. Stop shooting.
Oh.
Stop shooting.
Oh. Shit. Here I come. Watch out. Coming for you big time.
Recharge, yada. This thing takes so long to reload, but it has so many
Well, you
shots.
gotta put the shotgun shell in every time, so, yeah, you gotta expect it.
Sean, wait for me there, I need explosives too.
Okay.
I actually think the next round is the Juggernaut.
Actually, I never thought of this before. We could obviously use flashbangs on him. And they
Oh my god!
temporarily.
But I got it. Ready for this?
Okay, you gotta wait for him to land, though.
Wait, what? He's near me! Come on, drone. Get in a better position. Look out, Sean. Got him. Wave 10 cleared. Oh, that was wicked hard.
Yeah, it was pretty hard, wasn't it?
I thought when the B button showed up, when I showed up to the porta potty, I thought it said, and press B to enter porta potty.
Yeah.
Because that happens.
That's gonna be in the next game.
In the next game,
Yeah,
Call of Duty Ghosts 2,
I guess. I don't know.
you can now enter porta potties. You just open a door, slam it shut, pull down your pants.
Yeah. Yeah, and
Drink
then,
that shit, Shark.
and then, yeah, and that takes you the entire game to, actually,
Hold off the enemies while you take your shit.
yeah. You take out your pistol while you're sitting in there, so it's like, yeah, you shoot. Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Take out your pistol. Oh, flank. Oh, that was you dick.
It's funny because you said flank. Easy pretty rather. Came over here. Yeah. Do you think that, like, if you were to get past the special ops people and, like, the black, do you think if you got past those, they would,
All
it would
be juggernauts.
Yeah.
I bet you it would be.
Like, all juggernauts with dogs that suicide bomb you.
Wow. Imagine having dogs that's suicide. That'd be so sad.
They had that in World War II, actually.
Yeah, I know.
they-
That's so sad.
But it didn't actually ever work out because they trained them using Russian tanks. So they were so used to seeing Russian tanks that they would run under those instead and blow up their own tanks. So it wasn't actually suicide bombing, though. They had them take off the bomb. Like, they trained them to put it under the tank and run away. You know that Hitler had a dog.
Did he die?
Yeah, he played a dog.
Wow.
Sort of like how he killed himself and his wife. Well, his wife killed herself as well.
Get out of there!
The dog's name was Blondie, if you didn't know that.
Did I hit someone? I'm sorry!
No, you're not. I know.
Oh god. I was basically just
Oh,
ambushed.
sweet Germany. Is Germany just the way to say Germany?
I don't know.
Sort of sounds like it.
Sure.
It doesn't to you, does it?
No.
That's what I thought. Oh, a PKP pitching. I'm gonna use that.
Task Force Delta is inbound. ETA 20 seconds. Watch your fire.
No. Oh, no. Take us with you.
Take us with you.
Actually, leave Jack behind. No, I'm kidding.
Shut up.
Justice, Angel, and the third one.
Leon.
Oh God, they have such like
Brightly festive names.
yeah. The last ones we had really like morbid and violent names. Reaper, Bear Claw, and Hitman. Oh. Oh yeah, Angel, just... Okay.
Is Angel dead?
No, he just like walked towards the bomb and he just sort of stood there. Actually, there's two of them outside right now. Oh, no, they're all outside. And they all saw... Actually, they're all alive, I think.
Yeah. Get them all inside.
Oh yeah, they are all... Just because I didn't see the other one, so... Come on, guys. Get in. Come on, guys. Guys. Guys.
Where are they going?
They're coming. There's
Welcome to
one,
the club, guys.
2... Thanks! Oh, Justice is running away. He hates it. And then the other one's hiding behind the desk, I assume, because I don't actually see him in here. Justice, what are you doing?
Serving justice. Wrong way.
Oh.
I got killed. Sorry, puppy.
No, you're not. Oh, we lost one of them.
No. Who was it?
I don't know. There's one hiding behind the desk.
Justice is here.
Okay, Justice and...
Angel. So we lost Neon.
No. Okay, that's fine. Not really. That's fine. Yeah, you was hiding behind the desk, wasn't it? No, no, he went somewhere. For the last time.
So pleasant, aren't I?
Yeah. Oh, Justice is actually serving justice the right way. And this is how they died.
Damn it, I didn't buy anything.
Yeah, you can hurry over there if you want. I get the PKP patong. So it's fine. I'll hold him. I'll find a way to hold him off, yeah. Oh, God. That smirks.
Dude. No! Justice!
Justin! He shot Angel. Angel is down. I repeat, Angel is down. And we all saw the... Oh, wait, no, I killed one. We actually still have one. It's not true. We still have Justice. Still rocking and serving justice.
You're awesome.
Yeah, but Angel's an angel now. It's right here somewhere.
In the rubble.
Pretty sure that's him right there. Actually, I'm pretty sure
That's a Russian.
I know he knocked him
Wow.
to the ground and shot him in the face, so.
Oh, that's a horrible way to die.
Yeah. It's pretty horrible.
Hostiles inbound.
Justice!
Just let's get behind cover.
I am behind cover the wrong way! Justice. Oh, Justice. Contact 30 meters, says Justice. Justice, wait. Okay, I'm gonna go help Justice. He doesn't seem to know what he's doing. Okay, he can't make up his mind. Poor Justice. Oh, he's time. Okay. I'm down with that, Justice. Don't worry. I'll cover your back. Okay. We may have lost one, but we won't lose you. Okay, yeah, we will. Yep!
No, he's dead.
Aw, he slid down the stairs. Aw. Justice.
Die!
Oh.
Oh god, I'm dead.
The I can't say anymore. Not that I ever could, but you know. It's always nice to pretend you know what you're saying. Yeah. So that should be fun. Assault rifle. I can't actually use anything right now. We lost them. All three.
They served well. Kinda.
I think Angel probably had the worst death going on.
Yeah.
He was whacked in the face, fell to the ground, and got shot in the face.
Poor Angel.
Wasn't the best. I could have saved him, and I couldn't.
Gee Willikers! Thanks! This TV is really glitchy.
Yeah, that's LEDs.
LEDs.
Yeah, LEDs. LEDs are probably
Die!
probably
Die!
like the heaviest metal.
That was very ineffective.
It's super ineffective. I made him trip on his feet.
So you could fall.
Yeah. I don't get how you could actually get back up. Oh, I'm coming. Don't worry. Oh, no, you
Wow, that guy's strong.
Yeah. There.
The Chuck Norris of Russia.
Yeah. Yeah. Chuck Norris
I
of
needed to go
Russia.
get explosives.
He's the only Russian to ever achieve a triple back... triple
Shot.
triple black belt.
Of justice.
Yeah, triple... Yeah, of justice. I'm down with that, actually. You're gonna get bullets as well. It's not the best.
Oh.
Be aware, tangos reported to have C4 strapped to their chest.
Why? Why would you do this? Oh.
I got armor.
Oh, God. Oh, they're behind me, too. Hang on, I'll get them.
Do you have self-revive?
Yeah. As soon as I shoot them. Oh. Okay. Pistol loaded.
Go, Sean. Grudge, don't lose your grudge.
Yeah, don't lose the garage. Don't lose the guys. Oh, hold on, here's mine.
Alright, sorry, I gotta end this part here. Yep, that's it for our Modern Warfare 3 series. Yeah, we'll probably do this again next year, right, Sean?
Next year, yeah.
So, maybe we could do some other plays with, yep, sorry, gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching, and